A very lovely hello to all my COMEDK 2026 champions. So you all are so close to your exam, and I know you all might have been waiting for your admit card, which is in COMEDK admit card is having different synonym that is called TAT. So you might have been waiting for your TAT release. So finally the date is revealed on 29th of April. It means tomorrow your TAT is releasing on official website of COMEDK. You all know TAT stands for Test Admission Ticket, which is official admit card or hall ticket that will allow you to enter in examination hall on examination day. So it is a mandatory pass basically. Without your TAT printed copy, no student, no candidate will be allowed to sit in examination hall to write their COMEDK exam. So this is very important and mandatory document to carry with you on examination date, my dear champion. So let's have a quick guide here. So this quick guide is released on COMEDK official website. So can we have the dates? So on 3rd of February to Tuesday, your application filling process was started. Start date of application 16th March is last date of application. Form filling application I'm talking about. 10th April was the date, start date for editing application. You all can make any kind of edit if you had, if you unfortunately you might make any mistake in your form filling process. So you all can edit that. So that was the date. This was the timeline from 16th March to 10th April. Now, from 10th of April to 13th of April for your editing process. On 29th of April, it means tomorrow, my dear champion, start date to download your TAT. TAT means what? Test admission ticket, which is your admit card, or we can say hall ticket. Okay, so a different kind of synonym we are using here in TAT COMEDK exam. So that is TAT. So TAT is basically admit card. On 9th May, it means 9th May is your examination date, right? So last date to download your TAT will be 9th May itself, and 9th May is the examination day as well. So from the date of releasing of TAT till the examination day, you all can download your admit card. So don't rush to your cyber cafe, don't panic, don't get worried about your TAT, my dear champion. You have a lot of time to download your TAT here. You can download your TAT from 29th of April to 9th May. Can you see here? 29th of April to 9th May examination day itself. So there is no any boundation, there is no any short time lap, there is no like you can download your TAT from this particular date to this particular date. There is nothing like this. You all can download your TAT from 29th of April to examination day itself, and your result will be declared on 26th of May. Can you see here? 26th May will be your result declaration date. I mean your rank in COMEDK. Online rank card with your percentile will be declared on 26th of May. That is your result day. Okay, so why TAT is very important? So this is mandatory document to carry with you your any identity proof. So you have to carry your any identity proof, whether it is Aadhaar card, your voter ID card, anything you can carry with yourself along with your TAT. TAT is a different thing. TAT is mandatory document. So printed copy, make sure to carry your printed copy of TAT. This is very important to carry with you on examination day. Unique number. So basically every candidate is assigned a unique number, that is TAT number, which is called TAT number, right? So there is a unique number assigned to every candidate here, which is called TAT number. Very important number. So this is unique number. Now if I talk about download process, so my dear all COMEDK students, you all can download your TAT using only official website. TAT is never sent by mail or any like postal address. No, my dear champion, you all can download this TAT printed document, that is TAT basically, only website, only COMEDK websites. I'm going to give you a short glimpse about to download, how to download here in this video. Only website, right? Now next, retention requirement. This document is very important to retain with you for your final process of counseling till admission process. So this is very important. Counseling, for your counseling session, counseling and admission process. This is very important. TAT number is very important. So you have to retain your TAT document with you for your admission process and to go through complete counseling session, right? Details including, so TAT is a document which contain your every detail essential detail of every candidate, like candidate name, father's name, examination day, date of birth, and everything is printed on TAT document. So very important. So this is all about key details of TAT. Okay, now let me show you the short glimpse how you guys can download your TAT comfortably. So my dear champion, to download your TAT, you need to come to Google here and just go to COMEDK official website. Can you see here? This is the COMEDK official website. This is the interface. This is the COMEDK official website. COMEDK UGET 2026, your gateway to Karnataka's top engineering college. So I know you, majority of you may have a lot of dream to get into Karnataka's top engineering college. So examination day is 9th May. That is obviously closed. Now to download your TAT document, you need to go to login. Can you see here the login point? Just click here on login. After clicking on login, this interface will come in front of you. This desktop will come in front of you. Log in to view the application form. Do not use mobile phone, use only laptop or desktop. So you don't need to use your mobile phone to download your TAT, otherwise there may be some error. You'll not be able to download this file basically, right? So the COMEDK is advising you just to use your laptop or desktop only to download your TAT document comfortably. So you require two details here. Can you see application number, champion? So you all required application number and password, and there is a captcha. So the captcha you need to put here, type numbers as shown in this image, and application number and your password. After putting all these credentials, you need to hit your login, and after clicking, as you all know, I don't have any application number of any candidate or password, so that is showing error alert. Please enter application number. So after entering your application number and password, you all can download your TAT document comfortably. So this is all about. So make sure to download your TAT number on time. So tomorrow on 29th of April, your TAT document is releasing on official website of COMEDK. And if you are having any kind of problem regarding COMEDK, regarding rank prediction, my dear champion, you can leave your comment, you can leave your query, you can leave your question in comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay blessed.